How do you add money to PayPal? We're going to look together at the two methods for adding money to PayPal directly to your balance so that you can then pay directly with your PayPal account. For those who don't have a PayPal account, feel free to click the link in the description to create a PayPal account. You need a PayPal account, and now let's see right away how to add money to your PayPal account. So the first method to add money to your PayPal balance is to click on Transfer Money. Then you'll go to Add Funds, Add Money to your PayPal balance, and here you'll enter this information. So you'll need to have a bank account registered on PayPal. You'll need to register your bank account on PayPal. Next, you'll need to log into your bank account or make an appointment at your bank and add the beneficiary's name. So for example, you'll add PayPal Europe, which is a bank in Germany, along with the IBAN and BIC. You'll then add this bank account directly to your online banking or to your regular bank account. So you go to your bank to add it, and you'll send the money to this bank account. Once you've sent the money to this bank account, you'll receive an email. It takes about 1 to 2 business days. It depends on your bank. So ask your bank, etc., when the payment will be processed. And you'll receive the money directly in your PayPal account. So right here, you'll then see your PayPal balance with the money received, etc. So that's the first method. The second method is to get paid directly by someone else on PayPal. That means you'll ask someone to send you money directly on PayPal. So you click on Send and Request. Click on Request. And here you can request money by email. You just add the person's email and you'll be able to request money. Or you can click on Share Your Personal Profile. So here you'll have your personal profile, etc. Click here on Share, then copy link. You can then share the link with the person who will be taken directly to a page to make the payment and send you money. So those are the two methods. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out the video that's going to appear here. And with that, it's time for us to bid you all a fond farewell. We truly appreciate you joining us today and hope you've enjoyed the content. We look forward to seeing you again very soon. Until then, take care everyone.